Ilgaz Ski Center. Ilgaz Ski Center, located on Ilgaz Mountain, located in the region of the Black Sea region and between Kadincayiri and Kastamonu, exhibits an impressive natural beauty because it is covered with fir trees. With the number of visitors increasing day by day in the winter season, especially Ilgaz Ski Center in Ilgaz, it is preferred for its facilities such as skiing, sledding and snowboarding. Where is Ilgaz Ski Center? If you are going to Ilgaz Ski Center from outside the city and you prefer the airline, the distance of the center to Kastamonu Airport is only 40 kilometers. There are public transportation services from Kastamonu Airport to Ilgaz Ski Center. You can easily reach the center by using these shuttles. If you want it to be more economical, the best means of transportation is minibuses. You can reach Ilgaz Nursing Home by taking the minibus or bus. Let's get to know the ski resort, which attracts the attention of many local and foreign tourists. Here is the Ilgaz Ski Center when we look at the slopes. There are a total of 4 ski tracks suitable for all levels. It is at the service of ski lovers from beginner to professional snowboard level. Ilgaz Ski Resort is divided into 4 according to the slopes and difficulty levels. According to this, the first runway with a width of 100 meters is called the Dickman Track, with a length of 800 meters. This is considered as the main runway. The difficulty level is medium. The difficulty level of the second track with a length of 1,400 meters is advanced. The difficulty level of the third runway, which is 200 meters long, appeals to beginner skiers. The fourth track with a length of 800 meters is advanced, and a challenging track that snowboarders will love. There is a chairlift, a teleski and a conveyor belt located outside the slopes of Ilgaz Ski Center. When to go to Ilgaz Ski Center? If you are coming to do winter sports, you can visit from December to April. But if you are going to choose Ilgaz for camping or trekking, we recommend you to go in July, August and September. Also, let's not go without saying that the peak month of Ilgaz Mountain is January. Those who include Ilgaz Ski Center in their winter holiday plans should make a reservation for accommodation as soon as possible. Ilgaz Ski Center prices. We did a price research for you before going on the winter holiday. Ilgaz Ski Center prices in current form. Daily unlimited chairlift prices, 200 TL. Daily one-time chairlift prices, 80 TL. Sled 80 TL. Ski set, ski plus shoes plus baton 200 TL. Snowboard, 250 TL. Coat plus trousers, 200 TL. Helmet 40 TL. Glasses 40 TL. Let's Ilgaz National Park entrance prices are as follows. Single person 10 TL. Entry by bike 10 TL. Entry by car 25 TL. Entrance by minibus 45 TL. You can rent clothes and technical equipment, as well as you can get private lessons for people who don't know how to ski. Ilgaz Ski Center can be described as rich in terms of accommodation alternatives, because there are 8 accommodation places in and around the facility. In addition, it is possible to choose to stay in hotels in Kastamonu, as the center is close to Kastamonu. In order to be more economical, you should make your reservations early. Doruk Hotel Ilgaz, located very close to the piste, the hotel is intertwined with nature. With 52 rooms and 150 beds, it welcomes its guests every season with its friendly and quality employees. Phone 0374 473 71 97. Derbent Hotel. It is one of the most sympathetic hotels among Ilgaz mountain hotels. The hotel, which has a total of 45 beds and the variety of rooms varies according to the wishes of the guests, is quite economical compared to other hotels. Phone 0376 417 20 20. Yıldız Tepe Hotel. Resembling full mountain hotels in terms of exterior architecture, the hotel has a total of 24 rooms and 80 beds. The hotel, which has 3 stars, provides service in summer and winter with its years of experience and quality staff. Phone 0376 417 1010. Ilgaz Ski Center activities. Although Ilgaz Mountain is sympathetic and small, it is suitable for many activities. It is possible to do nature walks and climbing on the mountain, which is suitable for many winter sports. You can take excellent walks among the trees. While you are at Ilgaz Ski Center, we recommend that you do not go to Ilgaz National Park without stopping by. Covered with coniferous trees, this park invites you to the heart of nature. It hosts interesting tree species, especially larch, yellow pine, juniper and fir trees. Although the region where Ilgaz National Park is located is cold, it manages to create a small microclimate area within itself. Kadincayiri Nature Park. Located in Saray district, Kadincayiri Nature Park is 20 kilometers away from the district center. Transportation is provided via the Kadincayiri-Kastamonu Highway and the D765 highway. In the park, there are facilities such as picnic tables, children's playground, walking paths and restaurant for families. The park is open to visitors every day of the week between 8 o'clock and 1800 hours. Entrance fee: 5 TL for students and 10 TL for adults. Osman Lake Plateau. Osman Lake Plateau, located in Sarayland village of Ilgaz, is 65 kilometers from the town center. Transportation is provided via the Istanbul-Samsun Road, the E80 and then the vehicle Kursunlu Road. This plateau, which is also used by the residents of Bayramoran and Kursunlu districts, can also be visited for activities such as nature walks, camping, fishing in the lake, nature photography, apart from transhumance. Bozan Hot Spring. Bozan Thermal Spring, located in Bozan village in Ilgaz, is 5 kilometers from the town center. Transportation is provided via Naili Baba Street. The temperature of the water of Bozan Thermal Spring, which consists of 2 different pools, is 16 degrees. Spas, which can be used both as a bath and as a Turkish bath, are especially used for skin diseases and rheumatic problems. Finally, when you come to Ilgaz Ski Center, do not pass without tasting Kastamonu cuisine. Each province has its own unique dishes. Bread with meat, banduma, miklama, egg made with minced meat, sour rice, agmak souk. As a dessert, sirik dessert can be eaten. Thank you for watching video and please subscribe our channel for support. We wish you have a nice day.